Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to change your preferred payment method in your PayPal account. To get started, go to paypal.com. Once on PayPal's website, click Login and enter your PayPal email and password. Once logged into your account on the PayPal summary page, locate the Wallet tab and click on it. In the Wallet tab, you'll see all your payment methods listed on the left-hand side, such as your PayPal balance, checking account, credit card, or debit card. To choose your preferred payment method, just select one. For example, if you want to make your PayPal balance your preferred method, find the option that says Preferred when paying online and click on Set as Preferred. A green check mark should appear, indicating it is now your preferred payment method. To double-check, any payment method currently set as your preferred option will have a green text box with the label Preferred next to it. I hope this video helped you understand how to change your preferred payment method in PayPal. I appreciate you stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you next time.